Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is, let sleeping dogs lie. It's more like a proverb than an idiom actually. It's got some biblical connection with dogs and Satan and all that. What it means is, don't interfere with the given situation because that might become worse. Ignore a problem. Shut a blind eye. Don't wish for change if all goes well, for change may cause trouble. Who can tell? I don't know whose it is. I've heard this somewhere. So, there you go. Let's see how to use this sleeping dog's business in a sentence practically so that we can use it outside also. By the way, this line is pretty interesting. It's more like a poem or something. Use it also. Don't wish for change if all goes well, for change may spell trouble. Who can tell? Learn English every day, by the way. That's the whole idea. Learn English every day, little by little. Each of these videos that I give, they have a small amount of information that you can digest in one day. So watch these videos regularly and watch them right till the end, the entire video. Because that is going to help you increase your English, slowly, in incremental amounts. You will certainly be able to speak English like a native speaker if you continue watching these videos. Certainly, you will lose your hesitation. You'll certainly improve your fluency as well. That's my guarantee. But watch it every day. Practice it every day. Listen, think, practice. 3 things that you have to do. Sentences now. I thought I'd inform the principal about the broken window, but then I decided to let sleeping dogs lie. What if he decides to cane me instead? He'll think that, okay, I broke the window. Here's another one. Our neighbor made the scene yesterday because my wife scolded his son for spitting at her. I first of all thought that she should have let sleeping dogs lie, but on second thoughts, I think that what she did was right. She scolded the boy. That was right. His father came and created the scene. That was wrong. I don't know if I had been there, I might have done something wild, but there you go. It's a good thing not to let sleeping dogs lie. I'm not going to take this up again, but if this boy repeats his mistake, this bad behavior, I am. Now here's another one. My wife was in a pretty good mood this morning, so I decided not to talk about the argument we had last evening. It's best to let sleeping dogs lie. Because if I take it up, you know what's going to happen to me. I don't know what's going to happen to me. Wives. Here's another one. The 2 parties haven't agreed to any solution. They've just decided to let sleeping dogs lie and continue with that situation. Here's another one. Since my boss didn't ask me why I was late, I didn't tell him. Let sleeping dogs lie. Why should I worry about that if he isn't worried? Let sleeping dogs lie. Now let's look at a few parallel expressions, similar expressions that we can use instead of this idiom. Some really cool expressions. You might have heard things like, let it be. I'm going to tell the boss. No, let it be. Let it go. Let it be. Let it go. Let it be. Look at the way it's pronounced. Let it be. Let it go. It sounds more like let it go, right? Let it go. Let well enough alone. What's well enough? If it's good, it's well enough, it's functional, let it be. For instance, the fan, okay, it's going around, it's working, it's running, you get the breeze, fine. There's a slight noise that's coming out of it, but since the breeze is fine, it's well enough. Maybe it's not perfect, but it's well enough. So let it alone. Let well enough alone. Here's another one. Don't poke that bear. There's a bear that's lying over there. Don't poke it. You know what's poking? Take a stick and poke that bear. What's going to happen? It's going to turn around and swing its paws and your head rolls off its shoulders. Don't stir it up. Don't stir the hornet's nest. Hornet is a kind of bee. Don't stir the hornet's nest. Turn a blind eye. I know there's a problem, but alright, turn a blind eye to it. Not interested. It doesn't exist for me. It's like the ostrich, Close your eyes and the problem is vanished. Turn a blind eye. It doesn't exist for you. Be practical. So use this idiom and these parallel expressions in your everyday life. You find lots of situations. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.